Hello everyone, welcome to TeamWS channel, and today in this short video I will show you how to fix Windows 10 desktop keep refreshing issue. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, then hit subscribe button. So to fix the issue, first of all go to start menu and then just click on services and just follow every step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue. So after completing all these steps, just restart your PC and hope so this will fix your issue.